Hey everyone, welcome back. Are your shots, aims, or movement feeling delayed in PUBG Mobile like there is a half second gap between tapping and it actually happening? Here's a fix. First, go to your settings, then go to accessibility, then go to touch, and check that touch accommodations is turned off, since this feature adds a delay to how iOS registers taps, which is a disastrous for fast-paced shooters. If that's already off, clean your screen with a soft dry cloth, since sweat and smudges are a major cause of delayed or drop touch input during intense fights. Close every other app in your recent app list before playing, since background apps steal processing power that should be going towards registering your inputs instantly. Remove any thick screen protector that might be dulling touch sensitivity near your control buttons. If delays continue, restart your phone completely to clear a backed up input buffer, then reopen PUBG Mobile fresh. So, all you've got to do is check touch recommendations, clean your screen, close background apps, and restart your phone if still delayed. Controls respawn quickly, and that's it. Subscribe.